यही हमारा प्रयास है और इसी तरह से सूची बनती है।
Question 152. Silence, please. Silence, please. Silence. Silence, please. Silence, please. Question 152. Questioner not present. Let the answer be laid on the table. Supplementary, Shri Rapulo.
Respected Chairman, my friend in his question
Just 1 minute.
stated that there were 315 vacancies in the Kendriya Vidyalayas of Andhra Pradesh, wherein Minister sincerely reported that there were 449 vacancies of teaching staff in the Kendriya Vidyalayas of Andhra Pradesh. And he is also very clear that more than 6,000 teaching staff vacancies are there, and more than 4,500 teaching staff posts are to be created and filled. And the Kendriya Vidyalayas at present are the islands of the green pasture in the depression-stricken system of education. And
the question?
The Kendriya Vidyalayas or Navodaya Vidyalayas are being looked at as the prime positions for the admission of the children. In this given situation, I would like to know from the Union Minister whether he is going to look at the demand of the arrangement and opening of the new Kendriya Vidyalayas and to add the sections where the demand for the additional intake of the students are more in a pressure throughout the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate the honorable member because he has rightly said that KVs have become a quality mark, and हमारा प्रयास भी यही है कि सबको शिक्षा अच्छी शिक्षा, और इसलिए KV के teacher vacancy was a very relevant issue, और therefore total in the country there are nearly 10,000 vacancies which we have already started process and which will be filled soon. Out of that 6,000 will be fresh. Exam has been conducted. Interviews will be conducted this month and they will be appointed subsequently. 4,000 departmental promotions from primary teacher to secondary teacher to principal, or that also in higher secondary. So that also is in process. So examinations for all these 10,000 vacancies have been conducted. Results are ready and we are going to fill them up immediately. So very soon in this academic year itself, you will have all the vacancies filled up. That's a big problem which was lying for years. We have corrected it. Now, second is, as you said, new schools. Yesterday, I am very happy to say that yesterday Cabinet has cleared 35 proposals of Kendriya Vidyalaya which were ready in all respects. 1 minute. And in Andhra also, Ongole and Prakasham, 2 Kendriya Vidyalayas have already been sanctioned. Yeah, Ongole is Prakasham.
Please don't
Rajampalli and Rajampalli also. So the proposals which are completely, which give all the land required and 15 rooms for temporary campus for 3 years, those things are already cleared yesterday only Cabinet, and more 15 schools which were promised in budget are already also sanctioned. So we will complete as soon as the states submit their proposal, and we don't discriminate among the states. We are giving all states who are and cooperating with all states.
Thank you. 1 minute, please. You've had your turn. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Let me clarify one thing. The question is specifically on Kendriya Vidyalayas in Andhra Pradesh. So any supplementaries have to be directed at it. Jatia ji, you have a question on this subject? Andhra Pradesh.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय है और उसमें शिक्षकों की पूर्ति करने का मसला है, तो शिक्षकों की पूर्ति तो सारे देश भर में होना है।
नहीं, सारे देश की बात नहीं है, आंध्र प्रदेश की बात
नहीं, इसका उत्तर जो दिया गया है उसको उत्तर को मैंने ठीक से पढ़ा है
जी।
और मेरी चिंता ये है कि केंद्रीय विद्यालय जो है वो एक महत्वपूर्ण शिक्षण संस्थान है और उसमें अब ये पूर्तियां होने वाली हैं। उनकी जगह पर संविदा शिक्षक लगाए गए हैं। मेरा कहना है कि उन संविदा शिक्षकों को दिया जाने वाला वेतन क्या रेगुलर शिक्षकों की तरह से है क्या? सीधा प्रश्न है।
संविदा शिक्षकों का जो है वो भी उत्तम तरीके से वो भी एप्लीकेशन बहुत लोगों ने किए हैं, तो उनका भी प्रोसेस में विचार है एक, और उनके नियमानुसार ही उनको तनख्वाह दिया जाता है, तो तनख्वाह के बारे में कोई शिकायत नहीं है।
Shri Tapan Sen, on this subject, please, specifically.
Responding to the just reply given by the Honorable Minister. The point is that in the Honorable Minister in his reply himself extended the canvas of the reply. He told the overall vacancy position and the steps being taken, which is appreciated. The point is that when the vacancies are coming up because of superannuation, promotion, etc., I think a advanced program should have been there so that vacancies in the teachers does not create any disruption in the teaching process. I think that's the basic requirement of management. I think Honorable Minister will keep in mind. My question is that, just now my colleague has spoke, that the fact remains that in the vacant positions who are being appointed as contract teachers, doing the same job but paying much less than the regular teacher. That is the reality. Please. If it is not, I shall be glad. But it is there very much. Please check up for the second time before making a statement in the House. I think in the teaching, at least the concept of equal pay for equal work, on which even very recently Supreme Court has reiterated, it should be put in effect for the contract teachers, not only there, in all other vacancies, where regular work is being made to done by the contract people.
Thank you.
So kindly take care whether Honorable Minister is going into the case, just also raised by my colleague Satyanarayan Jatia ji, to put the anomaly, to correct the anomaly which has already cropped in. Please check up. I am not talking without any information.
My friend and Honorable Member Tapan Sen ji has rightly asked about the contract teachers, but he will be glad to know that in Kendriya Vidyalayas, the primary teachers, TGTs and RGTs, three categories of teachers, get the same pay as is promised in the pay scales, and so they are paid the starting scale of that cadre. So that is really, and we want to employ permanent teachers, and therefore this recruitment. So you will be glad.
Question 153.
Things are mismatching. Sir, as per the census, 1.68 lakh people are there. Yet, able to identify only 12,000 people, and that too the budget for this ministry has been slashed. Sir, I want to know from you through the Honorable Minister, that is the fund a constraint in identifying the remaining people, almost 1.5 lakh people who are still not scavengers, who are still living a life without dignity, a cause very dear to our Honorable Prime Minister who is present in the House. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
चेयरमैन सर, हमारे मेंबर जी ने जो सवाल पूछा है कि हमारी सरकार बजट कम करने वाली नहीं है, बजट बढ़ाने वाली सरकार है, और जो स्कैवेंजर की संख्या है, मतलब जो सर्वे किया गया था उसके मुताबिक 13 राज्यों तथा संघ राज्यों क्षेत्रों में 2017 तक का जो सर्वे है उसमें 12,737 मैनुअल स्कैवेंजर की पहचान हुई है। वही आंकड़े हमने राज्यों को मांगे थे और राज्य ने मतलब जो आंकड़े पे भेजे हैं उसके मुताबिक हमने ये रिप्लाई दे दिया है। और हमारी जो सरकार है, सरकार मतलब स्कैवेंजर को ज़्यादा मदद करने की कोशिश करती है, उनके लिए मतलब मैक्सिमम मदद करने का भी काम हम करते हैं। मतलब आज तक चेयरमैन सर एक बार की नकद सहायता कम से कम 11,563 लोगों को दिया है और उसमें 46 करोड़ 25 लाख रुपए की मदद की है। मैनुअल स्कैवेंजरों तथा उनके आश्रितों के कौशल विकास प्रशिक्षण के लिए 13,390 लाभार्थियों की संख्या है और उसमें कम से कम 4 करोड़ 59 लाख रुपए की मदद की है। पूंजीगत सब्सिडी के लिए 644 की संख्या है, उसमें 4 करोड़ 46 लाख रुपए हमने दिए हैं। तो अभी तक मतलब 2014, 15, 15, 16 और 16, 17 को मतलब 28, 2, 17 तक 55 करोड़ 30 लाख की मदद हमने दी है। तो पैसा कम करने की कोई मतलब सरकार की भूमिका नहीं है। स्कैवेंजरों को ये जो प्रथा है इसको